Okay guys, welcome to the video, welcome to the vlog. I recently found a beehive on my land. I'm trying to move them out of here, and I think I want to do something different. I think I want to save these bees and learn some more about them. So I'm trying to move this camper. It's one of my projects. We got a lot going on, but one of the things is I want to move this camper because I have this shipping container. This shipping container is going over here where this camper's at, and there are a lot of bees coming out of here. So I got to plug those holes, and that way the bees will come out of the funnel and into this beehive. So we have here, right there, right here, we got to plug that hole and we got to plug that hole. So how are we going to do that? A little bit of smoke, get the bees out of there. Oh, let's not drop our smoke can. And we have some, what is this? This is gaps and cracks. Great stuff is what it is, but that's what we're going to fill that up. It is pretty close to sundown. So sun's going down. That's west. Their nest, let's see. That direction there is north. So their hole is pointing north. Anyway, I don't know if that means anything. It may be a honeybee thing. I'm not sure, but yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to set you guys down in that block, and I'm going to patch them holes. Hopefully I do a good job. So here we go. Anyway, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so, and like this video. So I got more things to come, and here we go. Alright, so I'm just going to let you guys know this may not be the best way to clog a beehive hole where they are able to get in, but you know what? This is what I got. So I'm doing what I can, and I'm using what I have. So it's just how I'm doing it, you know? You use and you do what you can with what you got. I am going to load a bunch of this stuff up before I go to clogging bees. I got some stuff here I'm throwing in the wheelbarrow. I have this here. I have this stuff here. Last thing I want to do is piss these bees off. I don't want them mad at me. So maybe I'll slow down a little bit. Get this stuff out of here. This was me previously trying to clog the hole, but it did not work. Just I'm just not sure that I'm going to be able to do it with any kind of stuff like that. So I'm going to use some goop. I'm waiting until nighttime because I have noticed that the bees like to sleep at night. So they're not very active right now. During the daytime, they get very active. Right now, I think they're in their hive and they are sleeping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this with some smoke. Make sure there's no bees right there by the hole. I have my can of great stuff here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this hole. Now I hope the queen is in the hive. I hope she's in there. I hope she's sleeping. Again, I really want to give them a good smoking before I put this in there, because I made lose a couple bees. I really do not want to lose the queen. That is a main thing. So without further ado, I hope you can see the view. And there are a couple of bees starting to make their way home. Let's build this thing up. So here we go. Alright, I'm not really sure. I want to make sure no bees in there, make sure the queen's not there. And here we go. Okay, so I'm not really sure that this stuff is gonna go through the straw. It's kind of an old can. Okay, so this can kind of sucks. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab another can. I need another can. Okay. Yep, this one's no good. Okay, so I'm back with this can. 9 minutes into the video, 9 minutes, 30 seconds. I sure hope this can works. is. So I hope that closes the holes up. There we go. If not, then it is what it is. So there's that. That over there, that over there. Let's get rid of this. There's not very many bees coming out of that hive. That's a good thing. That means I'm not ruining or killing bees. So there's that. I'm gonna put this right here. And I'm gonna set this box right here as well. And there we go. Here we have it, which I think, matter of fact, I'm going to turn that box. Let me pull that out. What I'm going to do, pull that back, and I'm going to turn that this way. Here we have this. Okay. That. Okay, just a quick show you of what I got. I had to seal up this camper. Right there, I did it while they weren't active. That's where I seen them going in and out of. I hope I sealed that up good enough. Hope they can't get in and out of there. There's that. And here's my cone. They're gonna come out of that cone tomorrow morning looking for food. There are some bees there. I hope they can't get back in there. I'm gonna try to seal this up a little better. We'll see what we can do here. Okay, we still got stuff coming out of there. Let's see here. Make sure that this is good and sealed up. I don't know how well you can see this, but here it is. These guys. Make sure all that's good and sealed. They may be getting stuck in there, but we may lose a couple. Anyway, hopefully they'll go in there now. They were going in there and they were going in that crack there. Hopefully they don't have any more entrance. Hope that is the only exit they have now. And if that be the case, they'll come out of here. And hopefully when they come back, they'll be confused, need somewhere to go. And I hope that in this box is where they reside. So anyway, there we go. That's what I have for you today. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you some more cool stuff and how you do it. All right, we'll see you later in the next video.